Okay, guys, what I did, um, let's do the video this way. So, okay, so I've taken apart two transmissions. Here is the 3-speed with Mark Desmond gear, first speed gear here, and Bulletproof mod, this thicker gear from 2-speed. Okay, over here is the 2-speed I took apart to show you guys. And this is the gear that you get with your 2-speed that you need to machine off this this extrusion piece here to get the gear looking like this guy here for your Bulletproof mod. So on the back side here, everything is the same. No work is needed on the back side. All the work is needed on here. Earl did a good illustration where he showed how he used his Dremel tool to cut that off, and also to sand it down, and basically to get it smooth as this side here. So you could see the difference is get this guy off, and then you get a full Bulletproof mod. The good thing is that with this mod is it allows the load to be distributed on a wider surface to the input shaft to drive this guy. So this goes here, right? And it rides on, where'd it go? This thicker gear here. Now, this also is custom, is unique to the 2-speed. The 3-speed gear down here is very thin, and then you would have failures here because of the higher stress, because the area carrying the load is so low. So you also want to take that from your traditional 2-speed and bring it over to your new 3-speed setup to ride on this thicker gear as well. You don't want to keep the thin one in here. You want to remove that. It also works with your reverse module. So your reverse module won't rub or anything. You'd have enough play. And if you get a little bit of rub off the gear on the plastic housing, that's normal. It's plastic. Tolerances are all over the place. So the good thing is nylon. It will just get smoothed out by the gear. So again, you would need to take this from your 2-speed. Take this from your 2-speed. Machine this guy down to make it nice and smooth. Put it right beside Mark Desmond gear here, and then that's how you get your Bulletproof mod. I think that's it. Very simple. There's one thing I forgot to mention. Hold up. If you notice, so this on the left here is the 2-speed. If you notice, where the gear position is relative to here. Look where that gear is. Look at the Bulletproof mod one. It's more to the right. Basically, what happened is the shaft is flipped around. This allows you to clear the other two gears from this gear, engaging the other the other big gear there. So you want to flip the shaft. Again, it's the same gear, but you just flip the shaft and have the gear moving to the right to clear the other gears and not riding on the other mesh. So that's very, very important. Also, you do not modify this. You just flip it. You just flip the shaft around, as you see here as an example. So I put it back together. You could see with the gear move from the center to the right as opposed to the 2-speed. You could see if I put it right here, it would rub against the 1st speed, the metal 4th speed, which is not good. That's the reason why you have to flip the shaft. Okay, and you could see it turns nice and smooth. Got good engagement. So yeah, it's fully functioning. I'll probably be making more of these. Got my new Dremel tool over there, and I got a lot of Dremel bits there too to get all fancy, and my Bulletproof Super Duty cheap Walmart glove. So there you have it. Very simple. Let me know if you have questions.